I'd come and show you another one of our great simple plates. This one is called a creamy red pepper polenta, one of our favorites. I'm pretty sure this one is a gluten-free dish, but it is so easy and so yummy. It's become one of our favorites. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is. So in the box, you have a recipe with instructions on the back, so we want to get that out. And then all of our items that will go in our dish are right here, and they're all number and color coded. So you want to put your ones out, your 2, your 3, and your 4s, your 5, your 6. So there you go. All of your stuff all laid out. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is go to the back side, because it just kind of tells you what you want to do first. The first thing you want to do is put a little water. Or actually, should we put our veggies in first? Let's just do this. So we're going to put our vegetable mix here. It looks like there's lots of yummy stuff in here. There's a little onion, little red peppers. I see the zucchinis in here. Mushrooms are in here. And you're just going to bring that freeze-dried product back to life. All right, let's turn that down just a wee bit. Okay, and now the chicken. This is our freeze-dried chicken, and this is really great stuff. You're going to want to just put that in there as well and bring that back to life. So it's so easy, and it just starts taking on all that water. And the last thing you want to put in is this little seasoning blend. And it looks like this may have some tomato powder in it with some other seasonings to make it all yummy and good. So we are just going to let this sit and absorb that water in, and it will start making this base kind of thicken. So I'm going to switch out here pans, and I'm going to put this over on the regular stove so that it can thicken. And then I'm going to start in on my polenta. Now the first thing I want to do for my polenta is I've got red freeze-dried peppers here. Super easy to use. They're delicious. I'm going to first add my oil. No? Oh, first I'm going to, let's take a little bit of these peppers out into the dish, because what you're going to do with the rest is mash those up and powderize those. And this will actually turn your polenta a nice red color. Put your aggression out for the day. Okay. So there's that. Now, okay, so in my saucepan, I want a little bit of oil. So I'm just going to coat the bottom of that pan with a little oil and saute garlic. So I'm getting my 4s out here. So my garlic is here, freeze-dried garlic. Uh-oh. Put that in. My onions in. And my seasoning in. Okay, let me put my seasoning in first, and I'll put my water. Then you're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Then you're going to put in your red bell peppers. And your powderized, right? And your powderized bell peppers there. And we're going to give that a stir. Now, next, let me turn this guy up. Oh, lost my flame. Okay, that's better. Get it going. Next, I have some cornmeal, and this makes up your polenta. And so you're just going to add in some nice cornmeal to this. But I'm going to wait. Let me check on the other thing over here. Okay, so that is starting to thicken now, so that looks really nice. So I'm going to really turn this down to low. And one of the things I'm going to do here is add balsamic into this one. So, and then I also, hang on, we'll turn that down a little bit. So on this one, I'm going to just add a little oil and add my balsamic, a little bit of balsamic glaze here. And then I'm going to just keep letting this simmer on a low heat. All right, that should give it nice flavor. Perfect. Let's come back over here. And this is just about ready to go here. We've got our cornmeal that we're going to throw in for our polenta. Let me just whisk this in. And if you've never had polenta, it's kind of like mashed potatoes, but it's a little bit more grainier, but it's actually nice. I didn't know if I would like it or not, but it's actually very, very good. So let's see, we're done doing that. And then the last step is we are going to let that simmer just a little bit. And the very end here, we see it starting to boil nicely. And so when that comes up to a boil, then we're going to be adding our sour cream and cheese mix to this, and that will make it nice and creamy. So you want to let this boil for about 2 minutes. Again, these simple plates are just so easy to do for dinner. They kind of save you at that 5 o'clock hour when everybody is like, what are we going to have for dinner? And these are just great to get on your delivery. You can get a few every month, and we just love this polenta dish. So we're having it for dinner tonight, and everybody enjoys it. Okay, now this is really getting thick now. So see, it's taken on a whole different texture now. You can see where I told you it kind of mimics mashed potatoes a bit. All right, and now I'm just going to put this cheese and sour cream pack in here, and this will make it nice and smooth. See how that just changed the whole consistency there? There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. So some of those red crushed up peppers make it have a little bit of a redder red. That's why it's called red polenta, because those crushed peppers make it have that red tint to it. All right, so I am going to plate this up because I think we are ready. All right, so let me move this over here. Jeff, do you want to come over here and I'll plate this up? So we've got our 2 plates here. Where's my spoon for my polenta? Let me get a spoon for this. No spoons in there. So here we go. So here's your polenta. This is kind of the base of your dish. Still got leftovers inside there. And then those veggies, these are going to go straight on top. Again, straight on top. And then I like to top it off with a little bit of the balsamic glaze, which is actually my favorite. And we're going to just make that all pretty. And you are ready for dinner. I think that took less than 15 minutes. What do you think? So easy. So everything just comes packaged. I love that there's picture ready ingredients and just step-by-step instructions to these, and it just makes your life simple. Hence the name, Simple Plate. So if you like the video, you can like it, and we have a group called Thrive to the Rescue that we hope you'll join and participate in. We're going to have lots of recipes and tips on this channel. So have a good day, guys, and have an awesome dinner.